Hello students, we have already discussed the characters, summary and theme of this chapter, Triumph of Surgery. Now we are starting with the character sketch of Tricky. Do check out the video how to write a character sketch. So, first of all, main character sketch लिखने से पहले make some points. Think about Tricky's character in the story. Step wise character की qualities के बारे में सोचो. Now, as we are starting with the character sketch of Tricky, तो ट्रिकी की स्टोरी कैसे स्टार्ट होती है और कैसे वो बिल्डअप होती है उस हिसाब से अपने पॉइंट्स बनाओ. ओके, सबसे पहले अपनी कैरेक्टर स्केच को 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करो. इंट्रोडक्शन, बॉडी एंड कंक्लूजन. इंट्रोडक्शन में नेवर स्टार्ट विद द फिजिकल फीचर्स. सबसे पहले एक अच्छी स्टेटमेंट के साथ स्टार्ट करो, उसके बाद फिजिकल फीचर्स को ऐड करो और उसके बाद कुछ क्वालिटीज को स्टेट करो. सिर्फ स्टेट करो, एक्सप्लेनेशन हम बॉडी सेक्शन में करेंगे. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द इंट्रोडक्शन, तो स्टार्ट विद दिस. ट्रिकी, अ लिटिल डॉग इन द स्टोरी ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी, was owned by Mrs. Pumphrey and pampered by her to such an extent that he became hugely fat like a bloated sausage. मतलब वो एक bloated sausage जैसा हो गया था. With legs at each corner. His golden body was adorned with flapping ears. मतलब उसकी अब हम उसकी गोल्डन बॉडी, मतलब अब हम उसके फिजिकल फीचर्स के बारे में बता रहे. ब्लॉटेड सॉसेज, गोल्डन बॉडी और कैसे उसको अडोर किया जाता था. विथ फ्लैपिंग ईयर्स एज ही वॉज अ वेल ग्रूम्ड डॉग विथ ब्लड शॉट एंड रूमी आईज. मतलब उसके आईज के बारे में डिस्क्राइब किया. एंड टंग लॉल्ड आउट फ्रॉम हिज जॉज. जब हमने एक अच्छी स्टेटमेंट के साथ स्टार्ट कर लिया और फिर उसके बाद उसके फिजिकल फीचर्स के बारे में बता दिया, अब एक दो क्वालिटीज को स्टेट कर, अब उसकी एक दो क्वालिटीज जो हमने इतनी सारी क्वालिटीज लिखी थी, वॉरेशियस एपेटाइट, लैविश लाइफस्टाइल, इनमें से एक दो क्वालिटीज को स्टेट कर दो. Starting with the body section, if we see the first point, excessive care and concern and attention by Mrs. Pumphrey. So Tricky was pampered by her owner to such an extent that she gave him chocolates, cakes to eat. Whenever she felt he was suffering from malnutrition, जब उन्हें लगा कि वो malnutrition से सफ़र कर रहा है, she used to give him cod liver oil, malt, Horlicks to build up his health. He was never refused by her for anything. किसी भी चीज़ के लिए वो रिफ्यूज़ नहीं करती थी. She used to give him wine and brandy at several occasions. तो मतलब इन सब चीज़ों से उनकी पैम्परिंग का पता लगता है. If we talk about the spoil, but somehow all these things spoiled him as well. How? He never wanted to do any exercise. These things, all these things like this chocolates, cakes, made him like a bloated sausage. He became uninterested in things. वो किसी भी चीज़ में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होता था. And kept lying on the rug every time. पूरे टाइम उसको रग पर पड़े रहने की आदत पड़ गई थी. Pampering, spoiled. Now we'll talk about the voracious appetite. कितना ज़्यादा खाता था. His greed increased day by day and the tongue lolled out always for the food. पूरे टाइम फूड के लिए ही उसकी टंग दिखती रहती थी. He used to eat anything between the meals. मतलब वो कितना भी खा सकता था between the meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner करने के बाद भी he used to eat between the meals. And he can tackle a meal at any hour of day or night. Fifth point, lavish lifestyle, luxurious lifestyle. उसके पास he had whole wardrobe of coats, different तरीके के coats थे. rain coats, cold weather coats, different season के हिसाब से different coats. As Mrs. Pumphrey was wealthy and resourceful, he was always surrounded by servants and maids at a time. At home, he used to have his own cushions, toys, lunch ball, डे नाइट बेड, ब्लैंकेट, ओन ब्लैंकेट. तो उसको सारे कंफर्ट दिए जाते थे. ही यूज टू हैव वाइन्स एंड ब्रांडी एट सेवरल ओकेजन्स, जो जनरली एक डॉग को नहीं मिलता है. जो इतने कंफर्ट्स जो हर एक डॉग को नहीं मिलते, वो सारा उसको मिलता था. लैविश लाइफस्टाइल मिलता था. If we talk about the 6th point, adaptable and adjustable, he used to adjust himself easily to new situations, to new circumstances. When he was Mrs. Pumphrey, जब वो Mrs. Pumphrey के साथ था, He used to eat a lot. वो बहुत ज़्यादा मील खाता था, but no exercise, with no exercise at all or a little bit of exercise. But when he get hospitalized and he was with Mr. Harriet, he adjusted there as well. He was quite happy and lively with other dogs. When he has to make effort to eat his share of food, he did that. And he started doing exercises and made friends as well. Seventh point, sociable and enthusiastic. At the surgery, he is starting feeling better after some time, and he started making friends with other dogs. And after some time, he was quite happy all the time. उसने इतने ज़्यादा questions नहीं किए. He was quite happy. If we talk about the 8th point, well groomed, he had a golden body, and his golden body was adorned with flapping ears, and he stands out as a groomed in front of other shaggy dogs. 9th point, emotional attachment. He was emotionally attached to Mrs. Pumphrey. When Mr. Harriet took him to the hospital, he wasn't happy at all. Initially he wasn't happy at all. When he started feeling better, he was quite happy afterwards. And one more thing, when he was taking him to the hospital, he didn't even wag his tail. ये Mr. Harriet ने भी बोला था, he didn't even wag his tail. He was motionless. जब वो वहाँ पर पहुँच गया, he was missing her, that he was motionless. And when he saw his mistress at the end of the story, when he saw his mistress, he leaped and sailed into her lap as he met her after a fortnight. मतलब after hospitalized, वो मिसेस पंफ्रे को इतने टाइम बाद मिला that he leaped and sailed into her lap. So this shows that Mrs. Pumphrey was not the only one who was attached to her. He was equally attached to Mrs. Pumphrey. नाउ कंक्लूजन में हम लास्ट के जो 2 पॉइंट्स हैं, इमोशनल अटैचमेंट, सोशिएबल, एडेप्टिव नेचर, ये सब भी इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी कैन से दैट रिकी हैड बीन रिकवर्ड. वो रिकवर हो गया था और टर्न्ड इनटू अ हार्ड मसल डॉग by his adaptive nature, obviously उसके adjustable nature की वजह से, and Mr. Harriet's medical treatment. And at the end, even Mrs. Pumphrey called Tricky's recovery as triumph of surgery. वो भी last में बोलती हैं that was a triumph of surgery because without any medical treatment he got recovered. I hope you have understood the whole video. If you have any doubts, just write it down at the comment section. Do like and subscribe and share my channel, and also press this bell icon so that you can get the notification for another video.